Hey guys, my name's Twinkle the Unicorn. Do you know where I could get some kawaii activewear? And I'm talking mega kawaii. I'm Sakura, the doggy, and you should check out Koibito clothing. Yes, Koibito has some really nice stuff. They have really cute prints. You should see the artwork that they do. Wow, I really love their strawberry collection and their magical girl collection. Holy crap. Ducky, you haven't said anything in a while. Do you know a promo code I could use or something? Come on, huh? Do ya? Well, I'm Ducky, and yes, I do have a promo code. In fact, here it is. Here it is. Use it now. Use it when you buy at Koibito. It will help Clover and her channel. Oh, I got something in my eyeball. Okay, I'm better now. My personal favorite print is the lemon one because it matches me. Yes, use the promo code. Wow, holy crap, you're scary as hell. Jesus. Okay, well anyway, I'm gonna go keep shopping at Koibito. Bye bye! Hey guys, I'm back today with another lookbook. We're gonna do 4 different looks using Angelic Pretty's Magical Girl Star. It's a difficult JSK to cord because you got the big geometric, stripes, the black and white, and then it already has lavender in it, so there's only so many things you can pair with it. Let's see what I can do. The first look I went with was a witchy look since it is Magical Girl Star. The bat apron I think is so cool. It's from Lady Sloth's macaron release that she did. It's the only thing I have left from that release, actually. The purple flower is a little headpiece that I made myself, but I thought it looked really cute kind of at the waist as like a decoration. And of course I have the Miss Danger bunny brooch, which I just think is so cool. It's one of my fave pieces. And got the witch hat with little bats on it, echoing the bats on the socks. And then the shoes are irregular choice. Very comfy, low heels. Let me know what you guys think of this one. This next look is inspired by an android who works in an old school style movie theater, and they would serve you your drinks. I would definitely recommend wearing socks. I just threw the heels on just for a moment because I knew I'd only wear this for a few minutes for filming. The look kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, the movie Metropolis for some reason. But anyway, this one I do like the hair up. I think it's really cute. And I think here I'm singing like Zuikin English, like the Japanese morning exercise show thing. I don't know what I'm doing. This next one, I tried to incorporate another color. So I incorporated a light pink into the look. And I actually did change out the choker. The little choker I had was kind of lavender, and I was like, you know what, let me just do a light pink and it'll kind of match the flower situation I have going on with the accessories. So the tights are Angelic Pretty Daydream Carnival, and I thought they looked kind of cool because they also have geometric patterns on them. So I think it works for just like a cute look. Doubled up on the wrist cuffs to do the whole black and pink thing, as you do. What do you guys think? I think this one was nice and comfy. For my final look, this one was kind of a joke look, to be honest. I have the Koibito Alien Sports Bra. It's like the outer space sports bra. I legit love it. I wear it around the house so much, but I wore it with this JSK just because the color matched. No shoes because I'm a rebel, and I got my Ida bag. Oh my god. So yeah, this is like for when you're weightlifting and just being Yakuza. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And please remember to subscribe. I see that many of you are watching and you are not subscribed, and that makes me sad. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye!